Hey guys, I'm going to be doing another acrylic pour and swipe today, and it's going to look like a forest fire. I'm just going to be using different shades of reds, yellows and blues for the different layers. I'll also be mixing colours from the opposite layers into the main one, just so it blends more easily. This step is totally optional, but I just like how it looks. If you don't want to do this, then you can just go to the swipe and put the colours down. And I'm just making sure that the paint covers the whole canvas, and I'm trying to make the layers as even as possible. So I'm just going to go in some black paint, and I'm going to create some lines along the bottom of the canvas, and this will look like the trees. And now I'm going to go in with some red paint, and when we swipe it'll look like a fire as well. And now you can just find a piece of plastic or some firm cardboard paper and swipe across the canvas. I'm also going to go in with the palette knife for the parts that I missed. And you can just keep swiping and playing with this until you get the look that you want.